Welcome to Oklahoma Sunset Hues, a radiant journey with a red-haired muse. A visual voyage brought to life by the remarkable capabilities of Midjourney AI. In this journey, we explore the fusion of art and artificial intelligence, showcasing a series of captivating images that narrate a story of beauty, emotion, and light. AI image construction, a brief overview. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we create and perceive art. Midjourney AI, at the forefront of this revolution, utilizes advanced algorithms to construct images that are both breathtaking and deeply expressive. This technology interprets textual prompts, translating them into visual masterpieces that transcend traditional boundaries of artistic creation. History and current state of AI in art. The journey of AI in art began as an experiment in computational creativity, evolving over the years to become a sophisticated tool that artists and creators widely use today. Initially, AI in art was about exploring patterns and random generation. However, as technology advanced, AI began to learn from vast datasets of images, gaining the ability to create complex, nuanced artwork based on textual descriptions. In its current state, AI like Midjourney is not just a tool for image generation, it's a collaborative partner in the creative process. It's capable of interpreting moods, themes, and artistic nuances, turning simple descriptions into vivid, evocative images. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, we stand on the brink of a new era in art, where the lines between human and machine creativity blur, leading to limitless possibilities. Introducing Savannah Rose, an Oklahoma beauty. Introducing my latest creation, a stunning woman captured in the style of an Instagram post. She is the epitome of elegance and charm, her beauty accentuated by a variety of mysterious expressions seen from multiple angles. The Midjourney AI version 6 astounds me with its ability to nearly read my mind as I describe my vision. At times, it even adds its unique perspective, generally aligning with my original concept. For this project, I envisioned a woman with light reddish hair, reminiscent of the fiery hues of a sunset. Her hair seems to dance in the gentle breeze, encapsulating the joy and simplicity of a sunny day spent among horses. This scene is a tribute to the picturesque Oklahoma ranches, a land I believe is home to some of the most beautiful women. Utilizing the high stylization feature, the raw images were crafted with a 9:16 aspect ratio to better focus on the subject. I aimed for a cinematic look, emphasizing natural, breezy lighting to highlight her flowing hair. I think I'll call her Savannah Rose, a name as captivating as her imagery. And there you have it, the mesmerizing journey of Savannah Rose, brought to life through the magic of Midjourney AI. As we stand on the brink of a new era in AI art generation, I can't help but feel excited about what's on the horizon. With the upcoming version of Midjourney AI set to introduce moving image production and animation, the possibilities are endless. Imagine transforming these high-quality stills into breathtaking AI video productions and 3D creations. But to continue this journey of educational and captivating AI art generation, I need your support. If you've enjoyed this video and are as enthusiastic as I am about the future of AI art, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Your engagement not only fuels my passion, but also helps in pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with AI in art. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and stay tuned for more awe-inspiring AI art adventures. Together, let's explore the unfolding landscape of AI video production and 3D object creation, where each step forward could redefine the standards of digital art. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next chapter of our AI-powered artistic journey.